Cooking turkey so that it has that traditional taste could be tricky. However, there's a new tool that we're going to use this time, and it's the seasoning with a lot of butter, but also the turkey bags. The turkey bags are essential in this process because they seal all the steam within the turkey. It's not going to let any of the steam out of the bag. You seal it really nice, really tight right there. And then the turkey cooks inside the bag in its juices. And it maintains the moisture that is excellent, especially for that turkey breast. And you see it right there. When you open, you see the steam coming out because the moisture was always there. The flavor stayed within the turkey, nothing evaporated. All the juices are there, and then all you have to do is cut off that bag and the collect the gravy because all of the juices are collected in the bottom of the bag, and you can collect the gravy, collect all those juices so that you can make the gravy. Super, super recommended.